Hey, I'm Destiny. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because my channel is about building our businesses, having multiple side hustles, and also self-care. So if those topics interest you, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. And as you can already see, today's video is going to be unboxing of my new Louis Vuitton duffel. Oh, I might have to stand up and do this one. Of my new Louis Vuitton duffel. And this is a Keepall Bandouliere size 55. So I'm just going to pull it out the bag. So this is the box that it came in. You guys can see it. And like most of my Louis Vuitton stuff, I got this from the store in Detroit. And this is the receipt it came with. And I believe it was roughly, I'm going to say $2,000. Okay, so yes, I got this from the Somerset Mall in Michigan. And the price for it, which this is the Keepall 55 bandouliere bag. And then it was $1,990. With tax, it was $2,109.40. And I haven't worn this duffel for a long time because if you know me, my brand is the Traveling Hairball. So of course I do a lot of traveling, and your girl want to try on style a little bit. So I went ahead and purchased this, and we're going to go ahead and unbox it today. Go ahead and put this up. This is how it came, and go ahead and take that off. Okay, so it comes with the dust bag. You guys can see it here. This to the side. Okay, comes with the dust bag, and we're gonna go ahead and open it up. So this is how it comes. As you can see, I got the classic monogram with the bachetta. So let's go ahead and open it. Oh, before I'll even open it up, we're going to talk about the details that are on the outside. So it does have the luggage tag on it. Then it has the lock on the side. Yep, and then this just goes all the way around. Let's go ahead and open it up. So inside, it does have the strap. So we're gonna go ahead and strap this on up. And talk about some of the details on it. So it does have the shoulder strap, so this will add just a little bit more extra comfort on your shoulder. And then it has the Louis Vuitton detail on the buckles. And this is adjustable. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 loopholes for you to adjust. Now let's see how big it is. So this, so you can see the full size. So one of the reasons I got this one is because I compared the, the 45, the 50, and the 55. And I like how this one gave me the most space, and this is the largest size that you can have for a carry-on. Because when I did the 45 was just a cute small shape. But I will only be able to fit a couple items in it. And if you know me, you know, I did serve in the military for 6 years. So I get 2 free bags in a carry-on. So most of the time when I travel, I pack a lot of stuff anyway. So I got this one just to pack my extra stuff that I might not feel comfortable getting checked in. And I already know, like, once I posted this on my Instagram, a lot of people wrote me saying that they have this one as well. And it's really heavy once you put a lot of stuff in it, which I don't intend to put a lot of stuff in. And most of the time I do have a check bag anyway since it's free. But Yeah, so this is what I have. Oh, and also, to keep the straps together, they have this buckle here. So instead of always trying to figure out how to put both together, you can just strap this buckle up here and it'll keep your straps together for you. Make it a lot easier when traveling. Then if you want to see how big it is on me. So hopefully I'm not too tall for it, but yeah, so this is how it looks. And I'm actually going to stuff some stuff in here so you guys can see the full size. But so far, I like it. Okay, so I did want to do a video showing y'all how exactly the bag looked on me. So here it is. And this is, I did stuff some stuff in here so y'all can get a good picture of it. So this is how big it looks. So yeah, you can see a good picture of it. So hopefully when I'm running through the airport, it's not so heavy, but we'll see. And you know, another one of the things that I was reading about these bags is a lot of people like to get these pre-owned because they like when the bachetta is caramelized. And I know some people have some tricks that you can add some either baby wipes, some oil to it to make sure that it caramelizes sooner so you can get that nice caramel color right here so it can age the bag a little bit. Because right now it's just fresh and new. So yeah, which I'm not sure if I'm going to do that. I might just let it get its wear and tear. And you know what? Another one of the things that I got this one, while I was buying it, a lady, she was like, oh, I love this. I've had mine for 15 years, which if you know me, I like to hold on to my stuff. So I'll probably have mine 15 years too. So we'll see. Yeah, so this is what it is. So when y'all see me at the end of the month with it, because I'm traveling to LA in 2 weeks. So I will be taking this. So yeah, we'll see how it works out. I'll be back with a review on it, let y'all know if it was too heavy for me or not. Which since my LA is just a 2 to 3 day weekend trip, I'm not sure if I'm even going to need a check-on bag, but we'll see. So beautiful. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. And if you haven't already, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you're interested in more videos, you can take a look at all. I have a bunch of different Louis Vuitton collection videos you can go ahead and check out. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. I am Destiny Adams. I'm also on Snapchat. I'm on pretty much everything with I am Destiny Adams. Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, everything I am Destiny Adams. If you need business resources, check out my website, IamDestinyAdams.com. And that is pretty much it. So go ahead and stay tuned for the next video.